Do you want to keep a track record of all the important messages that are coming to your Telegram channel or your Telegram group? Then this video is for you, because here I'm going to teach you how to save Telegram channel messages to Notion automatically. So what will happen, as soon as a new channel message is received on your Telegram account, the same message will be saved, will be added automatically to Notion, and not just into the Notion. If you want to save your Telegram message into Google spreadsheet, into Airtable, into MS Excel, that is also possible. So if you also want to set such kind of automation for yourself, come with me and I will show you the whole process step by step. So this is my Telegram application and this is Notion application, and here as soon as I will receive a new message into a specific Telegram group or channel, you will see how I will save those messages automatically into Notion. But for that, firstly I'll have to integrate Telegram and Notion, and I'm going to do that with Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing integration and automation software via which you can easily connect to multiple applications and automate your task. And you can also reach here by typing pabbly.com/connect. I will also attach this link into my description box for your reference. Now, if you are a new user of Pabbly Connect, you'll have to sign up for free, where you will also get free tasks every month in your account in order to test such kind of amazing automation. I am already an existing user of Pabbly Connect. So firstly, I have clicked on sign in, and then I have selected this Pabbly Connect access now among all the application, and this is how I have reached to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And once you will reach to the dashboard, firstly you'll have to click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and just provide a sample name, a random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I'm pasting the name something like save Telegram messages to Notion automatically. Okay, after providing the name, simply click on create, and then you will find two boxes in front of you. So these are actually trigger and action. So trigger means when this happens, action means do this. Whenever this happens, automatically do this. Understand with an example also. Whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, then automatically send an email via Gmail application. Okay, according to our use case, whenever any new message is arrived into Telegram application, okay, so that is why I have selected here the Telegram. Okay, then automatically save those Telegram messages into next application, that is Notion application. Okay, so that is why I am selecting here Notion. Okay, and the idea here is we are going to connect these two applications firstly with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, and with the help of Pabbly Connect only we are going to create this automation. Okay, so in the trigger event, you'll have to select this set webhook watch updates trigger event, and then we are going to connect this Telegram with Pabbly Connect, for which you'll have to click on this connect, click on add new connection, and for the connection it is asking for the token, and from where and how you can get this token, you will have to follow these instructions one by one, and you can also visit this particular documentation for this. Okay, so firstly you will have to go to your bot father. All right, so this is my Telegram application. Here I'm going to search for the bot father only. All right, so here you can see my bot father is here. I have opened that bot father. Let me read the second line. To create a new bot, type /new bot to the message box and then press enter. All right, so let me follow the instructions. I have already copied it. Let me paste the same /new bot and press enter, and this is how you will see a new bot will be created. Okay, what is going on? Why it is not taking it? Alright, so /new bot, I have entered this and I'll have to wait for that. Alright, a new bot, how are we going to call it? Please choose a name for your bot. Okay, so how about I provide a random name, something like it is a new bot for Notion. Okay, I am providing this particular name. Why I am providing this unique name? Because sometimes Telegram doesn't take the bot name in one time very easily. Okay, so that is why I am providing this unique name. All right, here you can see it has taken the name. Good. Now let's choose a username for your bot. It must be an N bot. Okay, so I'm going to paste the very same name here, and at the end I will add this _add bot _ as per the instruction. Again I'll be clicking on this enter, and this is how you can see done. Congratulations on your new bot, and my bot is created. And from here exactly you can find this token which is actually required for this connection. All right, so I have provided the token, clicking on save, and this is how the Telegram application will be connected with the Pabbly Connect. Here you can see it is connected. Now as soon as I'll click on this button, you will see it will start waiting for the response. All right, here you can see it is actually waiting for the response. What does it mean? So basically it is waiting for the new message to be arrived here. Okay, so this is my Telegram group, and here I'm going to send some important message, and you will see how Pabbly Connect will instantly capture the detail of that message since we are connect. Okay, hello team, Mr. Zucchini has convinced to buy our $4.90 plan. Team, please make sure that the product should be delivered on time to Mr. Zucchini. Sales sources advertisement. Okay, all right, so I am sharing this particular information in my Telegram group, and I want that this important message should also be saved at the same time into the Notion, so that I can keep a track record of all such important message. All right, so I'll be clicking on this enter, and then I'll come back to Pabbly Connect, and here you will see how the same message will be received as a response inside my Pabbly Connect dashboard. Alright, it is still waiting for the response because I have not told you a very important setting, which is, let's say you want to receive the messages of this particular group. In that case, you will have to first add your bot as a member of this particular group. Okay, so currently I have 16 members into my group. So firstly, I am going to copy the name of my bot, it is a new bot. Okay, it is a new bot for Notion_bot. Now I'll come back to my group, and here firstly I'll have to add this particular bot as a member of this particular group. And not just that, after adding this member as a group, after adding this bot as a group member, I will also have to promote this particular bot as an admin of this particular group. And it is only possible with the Telegram mobile application. It is not possible with the Telegram web application. Okay, so just wait for few more seconds. Firstly, I am going to change the permission of this bot to as the admin of this particular group, and then I'll come back. Alright, so here you can see previously I had 16 members, now I have 17 members, and I have added this particular bot, and I have even made him as an admin. Okay, now I'm going to copy the very same message once again, and then I will be posting the very same message into this particular group, and this time you will see, alright, a new response already been arrived. Okay, and this response is all about creation of a new bot and promoting this bot as an admin of this particular group. But I would like to recapture this webhook response, because firstly I would like to capture the messages, the Telegram messages here inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, so I'm going to press enter once again, and then I'll go back to Pabbly Connect, and here you will see it is still waiting for the response, and the response is received. Let me show you the details one by one. Alright, so here we have the updated ID, here we have the very same message which we would like to add into Notion. Okay, let me show you other details as well. Okay, so here we have the message ID, and we even have the name of the person who has just posted the message. Okay, and we even have the chat title. Alright, so I think I have all the important data. Now I am going to move further, and I will be saving this particular message into Notion. But before that, I'll have to specify a condition after this particular step, that the automation should proceed only if the response received is all about the messages. It should not be about the new bot creation. It should be not about the permission changing of the bot. Okay, so how I can do that? All right, let me show you. Click on this plus icon, and here for applying the condition, I am going to use the feature of Pabbly Connect that is called as filter, which is an amazing feature via which you can apply several kinds of conditions within your automation, within your workflow. workflow, okay? And I want that if this response is all about the message text, then only this automation should proceed further. Otherwise this automation should stop working here only, okay? So what I am going to do is basically how I am going to add this condition. I'm going to copy this message text, okay, and here I will be searching for the same. You can see whatever the data I have captured into my previous step has started visible here, okay? So I'm going to search for this message text, okay? If that message text is exist, okay, if that message text is exist into the previous response, okay, then I'll click on this button. You will see how the condition will be true this time, because currently we actually exist, basically this response actually existed this message, okay? If that message is actually exist, then only this automation should proceed, otherwise the automation shouldn't proceed, okay? In our case the condition is true, so what will happen, the automation will execute the very next step, and which we are going to set right now, okay? So in an action event you'll have to search, you'll have to select this create database item, and just like we have connected Telegram with Pabbly Connect, now I'm going to connect this Notion with the Pabbly Connect, and I'm already logged in into my Notion application into a different tab, okay? So that is why instead of asking me for the credentials, it will directly asking me for the permission. All right, so here I am going to tick marked all the pages, okay? Here you can see I have provided the permission of all the pages. Click on allow access, and this is how you will see how Notion will be immediately connected with the Pabbly Connect. Here you can see the authorization is successful and it is connected, okay? And the very first thing, it is asking for the database, and here you can see whatever the databases are available inside my Notion application. Let me open that, and here you can see several pages I have created, and all these pages are visible here, and I am going to select which page, basically this all important Telegram messages pages, okay? So let me search for the very same page here. All right, here we have that page in the drop down, and as soon as I have selected this page, here you can see whatever the columns I have created inside my Notion application. Here you can see I have this channel name, the email and message. I have total 4 columns, okay? These 4 columns, the same columns are visible here, okay? You can see channel name, the email, the name and the message, and this content is actually a default column, okay? So I'm going to provide the data here one by one, and this is how the data will be saved automatically into Notion with the help of Pabbly Connect only. And don't worry, I don't need to manually provide this data, okay? I am going to map this data from the previous step, from the above step response. And here you can see I have received this message, and I am not going to manually add it, okay? I'm going to map it, and mapping is very simple. Simply click on this particular field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Simply select that data, okay? This is how the data will be mapped, asking for the name. So I will be again searching for the name of the person, and here you can see who has posted that message, asking for the email. So I'll have to check whether I have the email ID of the person or not. All right, I do not have any email ID, so I will leave this particular field blank, or I can also do one thing. I can delete this email step from here, email column from here, and then I am going to refresh this particular thing. You will see how that column will be disappear, okay? So let me delete it first. Alright, so I have deleted this column. Coming back to my Notion, and let me click on this refresh to fetch new items here, and you will see how this particular field will disappear. Alright, here you can see now I have the message field, I have the name field, and I have this channel name field. Alright, let me show you. Alright, that step has got removed automatically since I have refreshed my workflow. And why that step has got removed? Because it was not actually saved. Okay, so how about I reconnect it with Pabbly Connect? Alright, so I have connected this application once again with Pabbly Connect. Here you can see I have mapped the message, I have mapped the name of the person. Lastly, I'm going to map the channel name of the group. Okay, so I have the channel name as this Pabbly team. Now, you must be thinking that what is this mapping all about, which I'm repeating in front of you again and again. Okay, so whatever the details you are going to map here will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time in next time. Okay, so that is why why I have specifically added these values with the help of mapping. Just in case if I will add some value manually, that detail will remain same. Okay, so this is the difference in between mapping and in between providing the value manually. Okay, and this is the power of mapping here in our automation. I'll be clicking on this button, save and send test request, in front of you, and you will see how the very same details will be captured via Notion. Okay, so this is how now onwards, every time someone is going to send some message into our Pabbly team group, okay, the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture new incoming data, and the workflow execution will start in real time, and instantly it will actually check whether this message, this data, this response is all about the message or it is something else. If it is all about the message, then it will proceed further and it will add that data into Notion automatically. Okay, so this is how, just like I have collected this data inside Notion, you can also collect the very same data into your spreadsheet, into the Airtable, into your MS Excel, or into some different application. You just need to click on this plus icon and search for your preferred application in place of this Notion. And just in case if you want to create this automation, basically if you want to access this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the shareable link of my workflow into the description box. You just need to click on this link and sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access this very same workflow, very same automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.